Okay. This and this. It's a 4-letter word. How will you read this word?
Nora,
Ma or a e. It's a tricky word, Neha. It's a tricky word. You can't read it completely by the sounds. The word is tricking you. Okay. So if you read them by the sounds, it's more only. But this is not called as more because this word is a tricky word. This word is a tricky
I can't read
word.
it.
Yeah, so we will learn how to read it. Okay, tell me, when you are eating something and you like it and you want your mama to give it again, what do you say? I want.
More.
Yes, I want more. So this is the word. What is the
This
word?
is the water. More.
More. Very good. So more is the word, and this is a tricky word. Actually, we cannot read it completely by the sounds. It has 4 letters. Which is the first letter? First letter only we can write by the sound. M. And then or, we cannot write or.
Also we also
Yeah.
say
Yes.
ma.
Only you can read by the sounds in this word. O-R-E, you have to remember that. And today we will learn this word. Now tell me, can you give me a sentence on this word more? Who will give me? Christopher, let's start with. Okay, Miha? Chalo. Okay, Miha will give me a sentence from more. Come on, give me a sentence from more.
I want some more food.
Very good. I want some more food. Okay. Now let me ask Christopher. Can you?
I want some more food and yummy.
Yeah, this is so yummy. I want a little more of it. Very good. Okay, Christopher, you tell me a sentence now. Can you give me a sentence on more?
I want more fish.
I want more fish. Very nice. Okay, Prithvi, can you give me a sentence on this word more? Yes, Prithvi, can you hear us? I think he has some network problem. Okay, Eden. Eden, are you there? I can't see you. I can see the curtain. I can see the wall. Can you lift down your device a little bit, the camera, so that I can see you properly? Yes. Now tell me, can you give me a sentence on more, Eden? More. I want more chocolate. I want more toffee. Is it? Can you say the word? And mute yourself and say more.
Oh.
Yes.
More coffee.
Yeah,
toys.
more chocolate.
More
More
toys.
toys. More toys. All right. Okay. So this is the word. Now, which 4 letters do you see in this word? M, O, R, E. M, O, R. Now, what do we have to do? Slowly, we have to say. Slowly, bring your hands around your mouth and whisper it slowly. Say,
And what saying? And what saying?
and very good, Miha. And say, and keep looking at the letters. Pink, green, blue, red. M-O-R-E. More. Now, make a loudspeaker of both your hands.
More.
More. Christopher, make a loudspeaker of from both of your hands and say more. Eden?
More.
Yes. Say that. Neha?
Your mama said no, I'll not give you more than baby. Then baby
Yeah, then baby says more. Can you say it loudly? More. Yes, Prithvi, come on. Very good. Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. And do you see? Close your eyes. Can you tell me which 4 letters do you see for the spelling of more? Close your eyes. M. Yes. Yes. Very good, Miha. Now Christopher will tell me. Christopher, tell me with your closed eyes. Try spelling of more. R-E. Very good. M-O-R-E. That's how you have to say the spelling of a tricky word, not by the sounds. Okay. Now, Prithvi, close your eyes and see. Can you see more in your mind? Can you tell me which 4 letters are there?
M-O-R-E.
Wonderful. Very good. Eden. Can Eden also now tell me? How? Close your eyes and say which 4 letters are there?
I see.
M-O.
I see.
Ice cream? What are you saying?
see more.
You see more? Can you tell me the spelling?
See more helicopters.
Okay, you see more of cupcakes. So can you tell me what?
More helicopters.
More helicopters. Okay, now tell me which
see
4 letters?
toys.
Which 4 letters are there in the spelling of more?
Here is so many flies are there.
So many flies are there. Okay.
Helicopter.
More and more helicopters, more and more flies, more and more chocolates, more and more toys. You all are amazing. You're giving me so many things from the word. Now I am going to give you the challenges. Will you accept my challenge?
What has happened this?
Will you accept my challenge?
Yes.
Yes. Show me the thumbs up if you're going to accept my challenge. Big thumbs up. I want to see a big thumbs up. Very good. Very good. Now close your eyes. I am very good, Neha. I am going to erase one letter. You will tell me which letter did I erase. Okay. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And Christopher's eyes are not closed. Christopher, no cheating. Close your eyes. Yes. And now open your wow, and tell me which letter is missing. Wow, you all are so amazing. Let's check. Correct answer. Close your eyes now again. Close your eyes quickly. Quick, 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 quick. Very good. Now open your eyes. Wow, Miha, so quickly you can answer me. Eden, unmute and say which letter is missing. R. Whenever you do tricky words, you have to say the name of the letter. Okay, no sound. Name of the letter. R is missing. Okay, let's check. Correct answer. Now, close your eyes again. Let me see if now you will be able to tell me which letter is missing. Open your eyes. Which letter is missing? Wow, superb, superb. See? Super, super duper. Okay, close your eyes again. Now, open your eyes and tell me which letter is missing. Wow, very good. Let's clap for each other. Wonderful. All right. So, I think that was an easy challenge. Should I give you the little tough challenge now?
No, so tough.
So tough. Okay. Close your eyes then. Close your eyes and tell me now. Christopher, look here. Stop writing. Open your eyes, Eden. Tell me which letters are missing now.
R.
Oh, wow. Christopher, you also tell me which letters are missing now.
And
Okay, can you tell me by the names? M and R. What will you say for a tricky word?
R.
Letter's name. Yes, M and R. Let's check if you are right. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. Now, let me see if now can you tell me? Close and open. Now tell me which word is missing.
O and R.
Perfect. So quick. So quick.
R.
So Eden will tell me now. Eden, which two letters are missing?
O and R.
Wonderful. Christopher.
O and R.
Very good. Okay, now the toughest thing I'm going to give you. The toughest challenge. Okay, let me see if you all can do that. If you all are my smart children, if you all can. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Nobody is going to open the eyes. Okay, now open your eyes. What happened to the word more? It got all mixed.
I will tell.
Challenge is starting. You all have to write that word in your notebook and you have to show me. You have to show me. Show me quickly, quickly. Let's see. Children, today you have today you will learn words from me. Say hi, say hi to O. Hi, Okay, are you ready to learn words from O?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, yes, Kivansh, what are you saying, beta? You've written away? Okay, good job. Good boy. Very good. Christopher, what is there in front of you on the table? Yeah.
I don't know.
You are writing something. You're busy somewhere, I guess.
सारे चॉकलेट फ्रिज में रख दो
Okay, so O is here and O says, hello children, how are you? Very good, Christopher. Now tell this vowel O, how are you? How are you? Yeah, how are you, children? Are you good? Are you good?
Yeah, we are very good. We are very good.
Very good. Okay, will you learn words from me today?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know where am I? I am. Where is O today?
He's at the swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Okay.
He's at the outside and playing.
Outside and playing. Very nice. Okay. So let's draw. Let's draw.
Swimming pool.
Okay. Swimming pool.
Outside playing. More friends.
Swimming pool over here.
A party.
Okay. It's a party. A swimming pool. It's a pool party, right?
Yes.
It's a pool party and it's all decorated. And there is a pool party and O has come to a pool party today. And O says, am I the first guest arrived in the party?
There is more friends.
Yeah. So O says, do you know I have come to a pool party today? But I think I have come first. I have come so early in this party. There is nobody else. Okay, I will wait. I will wait. And do you know who came after O? There's a consonant which came. Which consonant came? Let me draw that consonant. You'll tell me which consonant is it and what sound does it say, and then we will try to mix up the sounds. Okay. So here I make the consonant. Who's that?
T.
This says letter T, which makes, what sound does it say? Okay, letter T says, hello all. You are so early in the party and I have come just after you. Okay, meanwhile, let's wait for other friends. but we both can enjoy the party meanwhile. There is music, there is a pool, and we can have food, we can have fun, we can dance also. Or says, okay, okay, come near me, come close to me. Why are you standing so far? So what happened? Oh, 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 came from here, and t, t, t came from here, and they stood together, and the sound became, what sound were they saying together?
Ot, ot, ot.
Yes, wonderful, very good. So then they made one sound, and what sound was it? Ot, 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 ot. And when they were dancing, the sound was coming. Ot, 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 ot. Okay, so this is the sound which we have to learn today. All right. Okay, so now I will be telling you another story where we are going to see more words.
Then are we going to write the words?
Yes, then we will write the words.
Because I did a big expensive, so I need
story. And in our story, there is this pretty girl, and her name is, I'm going to write down her name, and you're going to read it out to me and tell me that what is the name of this?
I think his name is Tall.
Tall. Who is behind you, Miha?
My cousin.
Okay, let him also listen to the story. Why is he going away? Come back. Come, go. Okay.
You cheeky little fellow.
Yeah, so let's write down what's the name of this girl. And then when we write down names, we always write down the first letter capital, okay? Name of this girl is, read out the name and tell me what name this girl is. Tell me, you will tell me now. Miha, see, this is Ot. What is this? Ot. You two sounds.
Dot.
Dot. Very good. Kivansh, where have you gone? So this girl's name is Dot. What's her name?
Dot.
Dot. Okay. So now, what is Dot going to do in the story? Let's watch. Dot. Dot has, so this is our little girl, cute girl, Dot. Kivansh, turn on your camera, beta. So Dot is a very good girl and she likes to share her things with everybody. Do you like to share your toys with your brothers, your sisters, your friends? Do you share them?
Yes.
Sharing is good.
No.
Thing. You don't share? Kivansh doesn't share? No. Why? Why don't you share?
Now, second letter, you have to repeat.
You should share your things, no? You should share. Then only your friends will also share with you. Sharing is good thing. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so Dot is a very good girl and she loves to share her toys with her friends. Okay, so one day she was checking her cupboard and you know what was there in the cupboard?
Nothing.
No,
What?
there's something. Let me draw and tell you what was. So this is her cupboard, okay? This is the shelf of the cupboard and these are the shelves and this is the cupboard and she saw, my God, so many
Lollipop.
Yeah, so many lollipops. So do you know what she thought? She said, "Oh, I got a lot of lollipops.
A girl thinks I will eat too many lollipops.
She knows that eating too many lollipops is not good. So she thought, I will eat one and I will share rest of them with my friends. Okay. So what did she say? She said, I got. Now, will you help me writing got? How should I write got? What should I write first?
Got.
Very Very good. Very good. I'll write. No. Tell me by the sounds. Tell me by the sounds, Kivansh. G, and then you will say ought. G,
What is this?
ought.
What is written this?
G, ought. G and ought. Got. He says, oh, I got a lot of lollipops. Can you help me writing lot also? How would you say? You will say two sounds only. You will say l and ought. Okay. All right. So which letter should I write first? L. And then I will write ought. Lot. She said, oh, a lot of lollipops I got. I got a lot of lollipops. So I should not eat a lot of lollipops. So I am going to eat only one. Rest I will share with my friends when they will come tomorrow. Okay. Then she ran into the kitchen. After this, after having a lollipop, she ran into the kitchen. There was a kitchen over here. And she says, I'm so hungry. What is my mama cooking? So on the gas stove, okay, this is the gas stove. There was a pot. There was a pot. And ought. What is this?
Pot.
A pot. It is a pot. Now, how will I write pot? Can you help me writing pot? What should I write?
Pot. P-O-T.
Punch by the sounds. Yeah, you are saying correct. That's correct. But tell me by the sounds. Miha, can you tell me by the sounds? P. Very good, Privansh. Now correct. We will write like this. P. Pot. And she was so hungry that she quickly tried to lift up the lid of the pot. And she says, ouch. Why did she say ouch?
Because it's so hot.
Very good, Neha. Because it was very hot. Now tell me, how will I write hot then? How should I write hot?
H-U-N-T-O.
Yes. Very good. Huh? And then ought. What would you say for the second sound? Ought. Okay. Ought. Kivansh, say ought. Ought. Yeah. So then she says, oh my God, I got hurt.
Is hot.
Yeah, the pot is hot. And I got hurt. And then she told her mama, I was trying to lift up the lid and I got hurt. See, my fingers got burned because the pot was very hot. And mama put some medicine on her finger and she told, you should never go into the kitchen when nobody is there, and you should never touch something which is on the cooktop. Okay, because it can be dangerous for you. All right. So she says, I will not do it again, mama. So the word is not. Now tell me, how should I write not? Sounds. We will say not. You will say and then you will say ought. Ought not. All right. Okay. And then she's a good girl. She obeyed her mom.